Rosemary from the South Columbus Public Library. Today we're going to make a kaleidoscope or a teleidoscope. Those two things are very similar, and they both rely on a principle of science of reflection. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the science behind those wonderful objects known as kaleidoscopes and teleidoscopes. So let's get started.
Look, a book about sight by Meachen, illustrated by Rick Peterson. Look in the mirror. What color are your eyes? Are they green, blue, brown, or gray? Eyes can be many different colors, but their main function is to help you see. Your sense of sight is one of your 5 senses. The colored part of your eye is called the iris. The black spot in the center of the colored part is actually a hole. It is called the pupil. Your eyes are shaped like balls. They are soft and filled with a jelly-like liquid. Your pupil changes size. It gets larger in the dark to let more light into your eye. Covering your iris and pupil is a layer called the cornea. It is a clear tissue that lets light in and protects your eye. When it is dark, it is very hard to see. That is because your eyes need a lot of light to see well. You need light to see. When you look at an object, it either gives off light or reflects light. This light makes a picture of the object. The light goes into your pupil. Then it passes through a lens. The lens makes the picture clear. Some people cannot see the world clearly. They might need glasses. Glasses have lenses just like your eyes. These extra lenses help make a clear picture for your eyes. The picture goes to the back of your eye. This part of your eye is called the retina. Inside the retina are 2 types of cells called rods and cones. Rods help you see black and white. Cones help you see color. Your retina is attached to a nerve. This nerve connects your eyes to your brain. The nerve carries messages from your eye to your brain. Your eyes see the shape of objects. Both a ball and a rock can be round. Your eyes know they are not the same by the tiny differences in their shapes. Your 2 eyes work together to show you how far away an object is. This is called depth. Do you ever play catch with your friends? They throw the ball to you. Your eyes focus on the ball. You can tell when the ball is getting closer to you. You are using your depth perception. Muscles hold your eyes in place. The muscles move your eyes up and down and side to side. Your eyes work hard and need to stay healthy. Your body has special ways to protect your eyes and keep them healthy. The thin layer of skin over each eye is an eyelid. You blink often during the day. Look, 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 blink. Look, blink. Look, 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 blink. Look. Your eyelashes help keep dust out of your eyes. Your eyebrows help keep sweat out. If something does get in your eyes, tears help wash it out. No matter what color your eyes are, they all work the same. Green, blue, brown, or gray eyes all help you to see. Fun facts. If you are nearsighted, you can see near, but you can't see far. If you are farsighted, you can see far, but you can't see near. Many objects besides your eyes have lenses. Microscopes, telescopes, cameras, and glasses all have lenses. Most people blink every 2 to 10 seconds. This means your eyes are closed for about 30 minutes every day just from blinking.
Oh, hi. I've been having such fun with my kaleidoscope, I didn't notice you there. It's Rosemary from South Columbus Public Library. Miss Charmette has shared a great book about your sense of sight, and I'm going to share a great craft project you can do, and it's an amazing scientific toy that you can have for years to come. It's a really, really fun thing. I just can't stop gazing. The simple science behind a kaleidoscope or teleidoscope is the fact that you have a mirrored surface, an object, and you have an angle on your mirrors. So this is a mirror and this is a mirror. And I put them at 90 degrees and you can see how many reflections there are. So right now you see the object itself and two of its reflections at a 90-degree angle. But if I make the angle smaller, then you begin to see that there are a lot more reflections, and I can keep going and the number of reflections will increase. And then I get to the point where the angle's too small for the object and I have to stop. And that is the science behind the reflections that you see in your kaleidoscope. So you'll see the instructions for making a kaleidoscope or a teleidoscope. And the only difference is a teleidoscope has an open end, whereas a kaleidoscope has an object end that is closed off. And the only thing that is different is with the teleidoscope, you'll be able to look at things out in nature. You'll also be able to see anything in your field of vision. You can put colorful objects all around, or like I said, take it outside and look at nature reflections. Now the kaleidoscope has an object end that is closed off, and you're limited as to the sparkly objects that you put inside. So the other part of kaleidoscope and teleidoscope is this near end or the eye hole end, and this is where you look through. And then inside is the rectangular prism. So let me take this little one apart for you so that you see the parts of it. Okay, so this was just a piece of paper that we used to cover over the eye hole end. Okay, and I'm just going to take that off. So it was a circle with some notches, and you'll see that in the video instructions. Now, inside the tube is a reflective rectangular prism, or triangular prism rather, because it's got three sides, so it's a triangle and it's a prism. So what happens is you're going to put the triangular prism inside your tube or cylinder. And this very first one that I made was kind of loose, so all I did was improvised, and I put some paper towels around it so that it would get a snug fit in there. Okay? Then again, I covered with the eye hole, which I now kind of destroyed a little, but that's okay, you get the idea. And then you can take this outside. It's really a great little toy without very much preparation. And if you cover it over, and if you use something a little sturdier like the Pringles can, I think you could have this for a really long time. And then if you don't want to keep the kaleidoscope part and you do want to make it a teleidoscope to view nature outside, you just have to take this off because that's just taped on. It's not very hard to take that apart. So you can use it either way. I hope you have a lot of fun with this project. Let's get started. fun watching the video about making a teleidoscope or kaleidoscope, I hope you try it because it's really not that hard to do. It's a little bit of a STEAM project and an art project rolled into one. I thought that the history of the kaleidoscope is really interesting too. It was like a portable toy that children took with them everywhere. It was all the rage in England in the 1800s. And even nowadays, you can find those in museums. People actually make them so fancy with different durable wood, metal, gems in the object end. You should check it out sometime. Again, I hope you had fun. I have other books at the end of the video that you may want to check out because there's so many projects to do out there. Science is really cool. Science rocks. Y'all have a good day.
To continue your fun learning about kaleidoscopes and the sense of sight, why not check out a great book? Here are some suggestions from the Chattahoochee Valley Library System. To find out how to get a library card and how to check out materials, please go to www.cvlga.org.
Inspirational.
Exceptional.
High tech.
Organizing.
Huh? Oh.
Reading it. Warm and fuzzy.
Suspenseful.
Reading is musical.
Out of this world.
Reading is everything.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.